Accidentally deleted your favorite app or switched devices and lost all your apps? Re-downloading deleted apps on your iPhone is simple. Hi, I'm Siok from Online App Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to re-download deleted apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account section. Now, tap on the purchased option. Tap on the not on this iPhone option. Here, you will find a list of all the apps that you have previously downloaded but are not currently installed on your device. Find the app that you want to re-download and tap on the cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards. And this is how you can re-download app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online App Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.